episode of Fish Keep in Jamaica. Now today I plan to actually catch my tilapia, the largest one in this tote, and to actually consume it. But in doing the prep work, turning off the pump and putting in that little valve which disallow them to actually leave the tote, I realized I saw about 6 fries swimming. Now in this tub, in this tote, right? The water is green. Now normally when it was underneath the tree, the water would be clear, right? So you wouldn't see any fries. So I have about probably about, 2 dozen tilapia in this pond, right? Uh, and these 2 dozen tilapia, they do breed, but their fellow tank mates will actually consume the fries. Now because you have green water, um, some of them kind of escape the mouth of their tank mates. However, I am feeling a little peckish and I'm still going to consume the large one. So I'm gonna be dropping the water. I might what I might do is just place this at the valve so as to catch any fries that might eventually come through that little hole. So let's see how that one holds out. Pause. As the fries are in the tub, I have to hold my mesh here so as to probably catch one or two. I am unsure as to how much I might catch. However, I'm still trying. So it's not 100%. Even my hands are cramped. Woo! Pass it a little bit. When the fish stomach have been cleaned out and all that, the fish is still jumping. As you can see, it's still jumping. Right? A moment I thought that it was going to jump out of the plate. Alright, I am going to then start the process of preparing it for food. Alright, so this shall be my dinner. Pause. Alright, so I'm actually doing some seasoning. Right. Some amount of pepper. Right, and I have some salt here, and I'm gonna put a little piece of thyme. So this meal should be nice going forward. So in addition to that, I now place some scallion in that, along with a piece of garlic, right? It's a small tilapia. I thought that it was a little bit huger. However, I guess the reason why it's this small is because I use the normal food and not the ones that are sold for tilapia fish farms. Fish is kind of moving still, but it's fresh. All right, cool. Right, so it shall stay here for about marinating this. About, let me see, about half. I'm gonna tip a little browning in it. Probably about half a cup, right? that will actually get it to be a little bit brown nicer. So when it fries, it should be a little bit attractive to the eyes. Alright, so it will stay here for a couple of, about an hour, and then I shall fry it. And we shall see what we shall see. My first tilapia from my tilapia fish farm. Alright, so the fish have been laying in the seasoning, pepper, onion, scallion, garlic, tomato. Everything have been cleaned up, and I'm now gonna put the fish in the frying pan. Alright. Okay, so it will actually I think it takes probably about 10 minutes tops to completely fry. Alright. So the fish have been frying for about 5 minutes or less. And I'm gonna be adding the seasoning to it, cooking it down. I think I might be eating it with, I'm not sure if it's food or rice as yet, but this should taste lovely. I'm just gonna add this to it. Good. And it could leave steam for roughly about 3-4 minutes. And that's the end of the day. Thank you very much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.